Here's some Gyeongbokgung Palace trivia. Subscribe. What does Gyeongbokgung mean in English? Is it A, Temple of Wisdom, B, Palace of Great Blessing, C, Palace of Peace, or D, House of Joy? The correct answer is B, Palace of Great Blessing. Who was the first king to reside in Gyeongbokgung? Is it A, King Taejo, B, King Sejong, C, King Geunjeongjeon, or D, King Sukjeong? The correct answer is A, King Taejo. Which city houses Gyeongbokgung Palace? Is it A, Seoul, B, Busan, C, Jeju, or D, Incheon? The correct answer is A, Seoul. In which year was Gyeongbokgung restored after the Korean War? Is it A, 1998, B, 1990, C, 1992, or D, 1988? The correct answer is B, 1990. What type of court structure exists inside Gyeongbokgung? Is it A, inner court, B, pavilion, C, throne room, or D, outer court? The correct answer is A, inner court. How many main gates does Gyeongbokgung have? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C3, or D5? The correct answer is B4. What natural feature is near Gyeongbokgung? Is it A, Namsan Mountain, B, Bukhansan, C, Mount Bugaksan, or D, Seoraksan? The correct answer is C, Mount Bugaksan. What was Gyeongbokgung used for following the Japanese occupation? Is it A, cultural museum, B, military headquarters, C, tourist attraction, or D, administrative building? The correct answer is D, administrative building. What is the name of the main throne hall within Gyeongbokgung? Is it A, Geunjeongjeon, B, Secret Garden, C, Gyeongbok Palace, or D, Changdeokgung? The correct answer is A, Geunjeongjeon. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.